Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Flex Free Game YouTube channel. I'm Courtney Golden, your Flex Trading Wealth Coach. And today we're going to be diving into one of the most frequent questions I get from a lot of people getting started in trading and investing. How much money do you really need to start trading and investing with in the stock market? What's a good amount to get started with? Plus, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can use your job income to help you fund your trading account. So you definitely want to stick around. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a realistic idea and a realistic plan to get started, to get in here, start making money in the stock market with us. So first of all, let's clear up the difference between investing and trading, right? Investing is more of a long-term thing. So you're going to be buying your stocks or your ETFs, and you're going to be growing your wealth over time. You want to think about like having a retirement account. It's all about building wealth steadily. So it's going to be a lot more time involved in the process. Now, when it comes to trading, you're going to be a lot more active. It's about buying and selling stocks or options contracts in a shorter time frame, and you're looking to profit from the price movements in that particular short time frame. So both, no matter what, whether you're doing trading or investing, they're going to require different amounts of capital to get started, but both do require some capital. You got to have some money to do either one of these, which we're going to break down a little more in just a second here. So let's talk about investing and how you get started investing. The good news is you don't need a lot of money to start investing with. Thanks to the introduction of fractional shares, where you can buy smaller parts of a share of a stock. And also nowadays, brokerage accounts don't require any minimum amounts to put in to get the accounts going. You can begin with as little as $5 to $10 nowadays with fractional shares and no minimum requirements for brokerage accounts. But here's something a little more realistic, right? If you start with $5 or $10, it's not gonna be a significant amount to really move the needle. So let's get a more realistic plan together of what you get started with. So if you're saving towards your retirement, I think a good amount is at least setting a goal to invest at the very least $100 a month. If you could start there, that'd be a good start. If you can do more, obviously that'd be even better. But $100 a month, bare minimum, just $25 a week. If you can do that consistently, I promise you it will add up over time if you stay consistent with it. And then if you're looking to get into ETFs or index funds, you're looking to invest in those. Sometimes you can have those require a minimum of anywhere from $50 to $500 or even more. So you need a little more capital when it comes to investing in the ETFs or index funds. The key overall to building up your account and getting started, especially with long-term investing, is consistency. You got to be consistent with your plan. Whether you're using extra income for your job or you're setting up automatic deposits into your account, which I highly recommend. It's one of the best ways to build up your account is just having those automatic deposits go into your account. Just start building up the habit of putting money away into your brokerage account. And again, with consistency, you're going to see that account build up over time. Now, let's talk about trading. When everybody wants to talk about trading, the fast moving, exciting life of trading. Starting with trading, an amount with tradings requires a little more capital than investing, right? So first off, if you're going to be planning on doing day trading, if you're in the United States, the pattern day trading rule means that you have to have a minimum of at least $25,000 for a margin account. So when a pattern day trading rule just means you're going to be able to trade, there's no restrictions on your trading. You can trade as much as you want. When you have under that amount, they're going to restrict you to about 3 trades per week, and they call them round trips, where you're in and out per week in the same day, right? If you're making a day trade, you only get 3 of those a week, every 5 days, every rolling 5 days. But if you're a pattern day trader with over $25,000 in your account, then you can trade as much as you want. Now, with swing trading or options trading, that requires a little less capital, right? So it's not as much as you would need if with that pattern day trading, right? You don't have to have the 25,000. If you have less, you can absolutely trade still. The 25,000 pattern day trading rule just tells you there's no restrictions. You can trade as much as you want. Now, a realistic amount when it comes to trading, swing trading, or even day trading options is at least $2,000 to $5,000 in your brokerage account. Though some brokers let you start with less than $500 or less. But I would say anywhere from that 2 to 5,000 range, and of course, more will be a great starting point if you plan on doing some trading, some active trading in your account. So if you're funding your trading account with your income from your job, just start out small. You can scale up as you go, build up your confidence. That's going to make you want to put more into your account as you're seeing the results coming in from what you're doing, right? But key is you got to know what you're doing first. So remember, only trade money that you can afford to lose. Trading absolutely comes with risk. Investing comes with risk. So you want to understand that and put into your account what you don't mind. Hey, I could potentially not get this back, right? So you want to only trade money that you're okay with parting ways with. So if you have a job and you have a paycheck, steady paycheck or income coming in, that can be one of your biggest assets when it comes to getting started trading and investing. I know everybody wants to be a boss, everybody wants to break out of the 9 to 5, but I'm telling you, if you're smart with that 9 to 5 money, your job can be your biggest asset and help you really, really jumpstart your trading and investing journey. So here's how you can do it effectively with the job and building from your job. Number one, you want to develop a budget for yourself, a budget for investing and trading. How much do I want to set aside from every paycheck each month to be able to start me off on my journey the right way and kind of lay the foundation of getting into this? So you want to set aside a percentage of your income that you have coming in each month. I recommend anywhere from 5 to 10% of each paycheck deposit into your account or set to the side that you're designating for trading and investing purposes. And you're going to be able to grow your account with that consistency. I know when I first got started, I intentionally set aside that 10%, 15%, sometimes 20%, or even more. If I got bonuses and things like that for the job, I would absolutely deposit that into my brokerage account, and that would help grow my account over time, along with using the strategies and trading and investing with that money. That combination is going to help you get your account and grow your account a lot faster. Second thing is, if you have a side hustle can be a very, very beneficial thing. If you can take on a side hustle and have some extra income outside of the job over time, that can also help boost your funding to your trading account. And then also, you want to take advantage of your employer retirement plans. You want to take advantage of the employer match contributions for your 401ks. It's free money, so you don't want to miss out on that. And then lastly, you want to stay consistent. Consistency is going to be key with all of this, right? Even if it's just $50 to $100 a month, regular contributions to your account will build up that momentum, and it will get you in good money habits of putting money into your brokerage account. And you can also, again, use automatic transfers to make it all effortless, make it all seamless. I'm telling you, that to me is the game changer, is those automatic deposits into your account. That can help you grow your account very, very quickly before you know it. Now, here's a few tips, whether you're using your job income for investing or trading, either one. Number one, you always want to have some kind of emergency fund, right? Have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses put aside before you start putting money into the market. So that way, if things get a little tricky with the finances, you have a little bit of cushion saved up, right? You're not stressed out because all your money's in the market. You have some kind of emergency fund. Just 3 to 6 months of those basic expenses is going to give you a nice little cushion, right, as you're getting into this. Next, you got to have the financial education. You can't put the cart before the horse. You got to know what you're doing first before you actually start trading and investing. That comes down to learning, getting a financial education. Take the time to learn. Also, a lot of brokers out there, they have paper trading platforms where you can use paper trading strategy or practice in a paper trading account and do it risk-free without using actual real money. So that way, if you take a loss, you're not all stressed out about it, and you kind of test out the strategies first. Now, personally, I don't recommend spending a lot of time on paper trading, but it is a great way to get your feet wet and really understand the mechanics of what you're doing. The best experience is going to be once you really feel comfortable and confident with the strategies, is really getting in there with your real money and putting it to work. That's the best way to learn, right? But nothing wrong with doing a little paper trading as you're getting started. And then lastly, you got to have good risk management. This is what this game is all about. Never invest or trade with money that you can't afford to lose. I can't stress that enough. This is a risk on game, right? Trading and investing comes with risk. So trade with those mental or physical stop losses and diversify your portfolio. You got to have risk management to preserve your capital so that way you can increase and generate returns on that capital, right? And having a job, having that steady income is a great way to get into trading first. So if you have that, use that to your advantage while you can, and use that to help fuel and get you, fuel your account and get you started the right way. So your job can be considered kind of like a safety net, right? You're not having the pressures of the market to start producing results so quickly because you have some steady income coming in from your job. So don't put yourself in a tight spot financially. Save up that money, deposit money to your account, have your nest egg there ready to go, and your safety net that we're there ready to go just in case things don't get going as fast as you would like them to. There's nothing worse than being a financially desperate trader trying to squeeze out profits in the market. It makes it a very, very tough journey when you're under pressure financially with trading and investing in the market. So do it the right way. Now, here's a quick action plan as you're getting started. First, you got to decide if you want to focus on investing, trading, or do you want to do both? In my opinion, I definitely suggest for new people to trading, newbies out there, get into the investing side first. Just understand how to put your money to work, lay a good foundation of building up your account. And then once you have a good grasp on that, then you get into trading and you look for those short-term opportunities and how you can consistently generate profits in the market. And then after that, you're going to be able to do both. Now, that's where it's a powerful combination where you're able to have short-term strategies with long-term wealth building, with long-term investing. That's where you can see your account grow in leaps and bounds. That's a lot of what we do here in the Flex program. So, but again, for newbies, definitely investing is going to be a good place to start. Second, you want to use your job income to build your account gradually, right? Start out small and grow your account over time. Again, use your job income to your advantage. Nothing wrong with having that 9 to 5, especially when you understand how to use that paycheck to your advantage and build your wealth and become financially free from your job. Use your job to help you become financially free. That's the name of the game. And then lastly, you want to open up a brokerage account and make your first deposit, right? Start with an amount that feels comfortable to you, feels manageable for you. You're not stressed about putting that amount of money into your brokerage account, something you're not going to want to miss. And then next, you want to set up an automatic deposit that goes into that brokerage account each month. You can even do them weekly if that feels better for you. Just pick an amount that you're comfortable with, something that you can stick with, that you're not gonna cancel that automatic deposit, because I'm telling you that's going to help you grow your account very quickly with those consistent deposits going into that account. So that's it. Those are my tips. That's the action plan right there. Now let's get to it. That's it for today's video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button so you get notified of our upcoming videos for more tips on how to be successful in the market. Let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you guys. If you're using a job to help you get started in this trading journey, or what are you, an investor or you're a trader? What's some of your biggest challenges right now? We would love to hear that. So that way we can maybe pick some of those topics to do a video on next. And lastly, if you guys are looking to take your trading to that next level, we do breakthrough strategy sessions. These are free sessions, kind of informational sessions, where we talk about your goals and talk about how we can help you in the Flex program with our system and our strategies to help you achieve those goals. And it's free to get the information. We'll see if it's a right fit. And if not, it's all good. Now you know. But thanks for watching. We'll put the link to book that session down below in the description box of this video. So check that out. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in today. You guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.